Hello to everyone. Today is Sunday, 23rd of July, and I'm here in this beautiful serene view looking at the spectacular view of the nature and the skies above us. I want to share you something. I want to share with you something. That the dark side of us is exactly our power side, and we are afraid to face it. We do concern ourselves as a weak creature. So when we consider ourselves as a weak creature and then we face this huge potential hidden inside of ourselves, we are afraid. We are scared to look at it. And that's our dark side. Take a good look at what you are afraid of and what you are scared of, and that is exactly where your power sits. That is your shadow work, the part of you that can come out and you face it, and don't be afraid to show it to others. And that's your responsibility. And that was for today. And I let you go with your own power to decide whether you want to be scared of what you have inside of you and you can work on it and bring it out and grow it, or you want to just keep it small. Till next time.